It is Wednesday, October 12th, and this morning in our devotional, it says reverence for God. So let's go ahead and read what God's Word says in our devotional. Psalm chapter 19, verse 9. Reverence for the Lord is pure, lasting forever. The laws of the Lord are true, each one is fair. Leviticus chapter 19, verse 32. Stand up in the presence of the aged. Show respect for the elderly and revere your God. I am the Lord. Psalm chapter 96, verse 9. O worship the Lord in the beauty of holiness. Tremble before him, all the earth. Acts chapter 2, verse 43. A deep sense of awe came over them all, and the apostles performed many miraculous signs and wonders. Luke chapter 11, verse 2. He said to them, when you pray, say, Father, hallowed be your name, your kingdom come. Philippians chapter 2, verse 12. Therefore, my beloved, as you have always obeyed, so now, not only is in my presence, but much more in my absence. Work out your own salvation with fear and trembling. In Proverbs chapter 14, verse 26 and 27, whoever fears the Lord has a secure fortress, and for their children it will be a refuge. The fear of the Lord is a fountain of life, turning a person from the snares of death. And at the bottom it says, to be in reverence of God means having a holy fear of the Lord. This fear is not because we are afraid of God, but because we love him and realize who he really is. Our reverence is in response to God's love and how much he cares about us. It is the realization of what it costs God to make us his children. It is to take off your shoes and cover your face when you come before him, for he is great. And this is a good devotional this morning because a lot of people, they don't reverence God no more. There's no fear of God anymore. You see it every day. Just going to the grocery store or going to your job or, just driving down the road. You see it every day. People don't fear God no more. And just like it says, it's not a fear, like a scary fear. It's kind of like here when a child growing up, if the child does something and they're punished for it, they get disciplined for it. Same way with God. When we disobey him, we get not really punished, but we get disciplined for it, which it's punishment, I guess, but we get disciplined for it, just like a child. So when you discipline a child, they have that, where they start respecting the parents' rules, or growing up you had to obey the house rules. Same way with God. God has his own set of rules, and we have to obey them rules, or be disciplined. And so it's respect. I'll respect my parents for disciplining me when I was a kid. That taught me how I am supposed to interact with people and, or live in life, I hope that makes sense. But it's respect, and people don't respect God anymore. They just throw him to the side like he doesn't exist. And that's sad. People really need to wake up and reverence God for who He is and what He's done for us. But that's all I'll say about it this morning. I love you guys. As always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server. The link is in the description. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in the clouds with Jesus. Love you guys.